In today's update, we discuss Nifty's bullish momentum ahead of the Fed's rate cut decision on Wednesday. We'll cover Bajaj Housing Finance IPO excitement, IT stocks in focus, and Persistent Systems all-time high. Stay tuned for key insights on the market and stock movers. This Monday morning, GIFT Nifty is racing higher towards new record highs as Nifty bulls will aim to take over the positive baton from last week's trade. The benchmarks, Nifty and Sensex new historic high continues to be at 25,433.35 and 83,116.19 respectively. The positive catalyst, bullish sentiments are prevailing as investors are loading up on stocks before the Federal Reserve cuts interest rates on Wednesday. The Fed is all but certain to lower the federal funds rate from its current 23-year high when its latest meeting concludes this Wednesday, 18 September, with the street now bickering between whether it will be 25 basis points, 0.25%, or 50 basis points, 0.50%, on backdrop of driven by recent inflation and jobs data. As of recording, according to CME Group's FedWatch tool, futures traders are pricing in a 53% probability for a 0.25% cut and a 47% chance it'll be 0.50%. Bottom line, expect more fireworks at the FOMC meeting outcome, which will conclude on 18 September. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2365 crores, while DIIs too bought shares to the tune of Rs 2532 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating higher high-low play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has dropped to 12.55 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.61 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.86. Nifty outlook, Nifty to start the day on front foot. Nifty, CMP to 5357. Support, 25,250 to 25,200. Resistance, 25,450 to 25,500. Range, 25,200 to 25,500. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 51938. Support, 51,750 to 51,700. Resistance, 52,150 to 52,200. Range, 51,700 to 52,200. Bias, sideways to bullish. In Friday's trade, Nifty witnessed bullish consolidation and hopefully, today the benchmark may regain mojo as macros remain favorable. Now, the stocks which are on the front pages and catching attention. 1. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO. The street eagerly awaits the listing of Bajaj Housing Finance shares, scheduled for Monday, 16 September 2024. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO had received 3,80,000 rupees CR worth of bids for a 6,560 rupees CR IPO. Media report suggests the grey market premium, GMP, of the public issue continues to remain above 100%. 2. IT stocks will continue to be in limelight after Wipro gained 4% in Friday's trade after CEO Srini Pallia emphasized the company's continued commitment to its 5-pronged growth strategy. Source, Money Control. Wipro's growth strategy focuses on expanding large accounts, securing large deals through cross-selling and upselling, building industry-specific solutions, scaling AI talent, and integrating AI-powered services for responsible and innovative service delivery. Persistent Systems stock price is in limelight and, most importantly, are flirting with its all-time high at 5,387 rupees and 85 paise per share after the company signed an asset purchase agreement with Soho Dragon to acquire some of its assets.